Boom shakalaka, huge news for Bitcoin. You definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including huge news for Bitcoin and altcoins too. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, subscribe, come join us on Twitter with the Crypto Love. Now, today, Fear and Greed at 74, rebounded just a touch from yesterday's 72, still down from last week's extreme greed. The overall market up 5% today. Bitcoin at 66,538, Ethereum at 3260, BNB at 583, Solana 154, XRP 51 cents, Toncoin 707, Dogecoin 16 cents, and Cardano 49 cents. And Bitcoin, after breaking out to the bottom of this symmetrical triangle, breaking below the 21 EMA and the 50-day moving average, did bounce off of the 61.8 FID level, making a very long flag right here for Bitcoin. We'll have to see when that breaks above. But we do have breaking news for Bitcoin that could be enormous. Hong Kong just approved the Bitcoin Spot ETF. Now, for all of you in America, I know we're number one, right? But there is a lot of money in the rest of the world. As a matter of fact, if we take a look right here, Asian crypto exchange volumes are orders of magnitude greater than those from the US. If you take a look, Asia is here in blue, North America in orange, Europe in gray, and South America in yellow. The Bitcoin ETF in Hong Kong is a very big deal. That's potentially a lot of money, 8 times greater. And you know what happened, how much Bitcoin pumped after the US spot Bitcoin ETF. Imagine how much it could pump after the Hong Kong spot Bitcoin ETF. Now, as of right now, Bitcoin is ping-ponging in the range between wiping out the shorts and wiping out the longs between roughly $67,000 and $72,000. But it may not stay this way for a long time. Bitcoin now has a new weekly close above the all-time high of 2021. That means we have a new weekly all-time high. And all the panic in the last couple days was in vain because the last few times it's happened, boom, straight up territory. Right now is just time to stack Bitcoin and chill. The super trend indicator has signaled a buy. The Gaussian channel has turned green. Now you just wait for things to turn absolutely bananas and go up, because this could have been the last shakeout before the next run. You can see that in these consolidation periods, there's a shakeout to the bottom and then it runs to the top. Shakeout to the bottom, runs to the top. And this is basically just skilled traders collecting all the leveraged liquidity before taking off once again. I mean, why let all those longs, 100x longs, make money? Just wipe them out and then wipe out the shorts too. Get all the money on both sides. Now, right now, the Bitcoin realized profit loss ratio has fallen below 1, as you can see by this red line right here, suggesting that investors are currently realizing more losses than profits. Historically, this trend has indicated a local bottom for Bitcoin over the past 6 months. You can see this right here, local bottom. Down here as well, local bottom, suggesting right now, again, local bottom for Bitcoin. And we've seen this all before. Dip right before the halving and then massive rally. Well, guess what? Dip right before the halving and then potentially massive rally coming. Bitcoin has once again just retested the institutional bias, which we can see right here. In bull markets, look at how many times this tests it on the way up. Many, many times it tests it. And you can see, testing it once again, it's made of the 9 EMA with a combination of the 18 EMA, just retested it once again, likely finding support and continuing upwards, because Bitcoin right now, should it break above this blue line right here on the power law corridor, guess what? Once it does, it is fireworks for Bitcoin, and we are right there, consolidation below the line before potentially breakout. Could be fireworks. The upper band right now, $300,000 for that. Now, altcoins, if we take a look, following perfectly previous alt season path. You can see right up here, having a little bit of a pullback, bouncing off the support band before exploding straight vertical. Look at this. Little bit of a pullback below this all-time high, potentially bounce, and then straight vertical, For altcoins, I think potentially for meme coins, look at this sideways triangle for Pepe preparing its next move. Could be a 54% move for Pepe to the upward side. And if Pepe goes up, every other single meme coin on the face of the planet is going to rocket up. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, join us on Twitter. Catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.